and
hello, and welcome to LMPS News. I'm your host, Tristan.
And I'm Leo.
And I'm Sabrina.
Today is Thursday, March 13th, and we're in A week. Today's forecast is a chance of showers with a high of 28 and a low of 18.
And for lunch, we'll be having pulled barbecue chicken, barbecue tofu, corn chowder, and most importantly,
roasted broccoli. High school, middle school advisory are in their individual advisories once again. We're having a dress down day Monday, March 17th in honor of St. Patrick's Day. If you bring in $3 on Monday, March 17th, you may dress down in something green, and all proceeds will go towards feeding children everywhere.
Today's SAT word of the day is frigid, meaning very cold. So tomorrow's going to be pretty frigid.
Well, thanks for joining us today. I'm Sabrina.
And I'm Leo.
And I'm Tristan.
Have a great day, Lamont!
Woo! That was a success.
Where's your mother? Thank you. Relax, buddy.
Enough!
Why you put gum on me?